What's up, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company. We are back with another car review. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2020 Kia Soul. This one's got the S trim, so it's a little sportier. These newer Kia Soul models have this really good looking front end design with the headlights that sweep all the way across that front end. Fog lights, alloy rims. Let's go around to the back here. The Kia Souls have this really cool signature backup tail light design that goes all the way around the back window here. We also have a backup camera. We'll open up the trunk here. Good amount of space back here. We got the mats as well. Other than that though, we do have blind spot monitors. Let's check out the interior. Alright guys, as for the interior, seats are really comfortable. We got these two-tone cloth seats with lots of leg room. Up on the steering wheel itself, we have Bluetooth capabilities, voice control and cruise control. And over to the left, we have our lane keep and blind spot monitors, automatic start and stop system, as well as traction control. So we got lots of settings just here on the steering wheel and to the left. But up here on the screen, we have Bluetooth capabilities, FM, AM radio, but we also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So super cool to have that. Just down below, we have a 12 volt on both sides of this USB port. Our drive mode button. We got normal and sport mode. It'll pop up here on the gauge cluster. But other than that, we got a really comfortable interior. Really sleek looking. Alright guys, to wrap it up, this is a one-owner vehicle with just under 1,000 miles. This car is brand new. It's a 2020. It's got no damages or accidents on its Carfax report, and it is in amazing condition. Under the hood, we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that gets us up to 33 miles per gallon. Seats 5 people completely comfortably. Get a backup camera, Bluetooth capabilities, as well as that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So lots of cool stuff going on with this 2020 Kia Soul. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.